Have you measured your sales conversion rate? When we talk about growing our business, we all usually talk about how do I market ourselves? Which additional territories I should open up? Which marketing tool should I invest in? But really, how much importance do we give to our conversion rate? Now, sales conversion rate is usually a neglected area. But I'm going to explain why focusing on sales conversion rate is a better choice than marketing more. Do you know your conversion rate? Out of 100 inquiries that you receive, how many convert into orders? If you haven't been measuring conversion rate, then you are likely to get a shock when you measure it. The actual conversion rate is much lower than what you think it is. It is usually half or 1/3 of your guess. On an average, we assume that the conversion rate is to be 10%. That is, you convert one order out of every 10 inquiries that you get. It means that you are leaving cash on the table 90% of the time for someone else to pick it, maybe your competitor. Now, business growth does not necessarily mean going after more prospects, investing huge sums into different marketing strategies. You can also achieve growth by converting more orders from the available inquiries. Now, good news is that the conversion rate can be increased without much investment. The strategies for increasing conversion rate are almost free, unlike lead generation or marketing, where investments are really required. Also, the money invested in marketing feels like a gamble if you have not mastered the lead generation strategies. If you are already generating inquiries, maybe from word of mouth, IndiaMart, social media, exhibitions, website, then it would be first choice to improve on the conversion rate. Now, if you jump up your conversion rate from 10% to 20%, then guess what happens to your sales turnover? It doubles, right? That's why it's important to improve the conversion rate. Some of the following pointers can be really useful for improving your conversion rate across the sales team and across the regions. And the number one thing is sales training. Now, owners of engineering businesses are usually technocrats, and they train their teams on technical aspects, product knowledge, selection of the right kind of solution, etc. But there is usually no training given to salespeople to improve their sales skills. There are so many things to learn in sales itself. Training about sales process, conversation techniques, how to build rapport, how to handle objections, how to close. There are so many things. Now, we assume that the experienced salespeople know how to sell, and we don't really have to teach them about selling. Now, this assumption could be really wrong. Fact is, the salespeople that you have recruited have never undergone a proper sales training. It is ironic, really, that the performance of salesperson depends on the sales skills, and they should be continuously upgrading their sales skills, yet there is no arrangement or effort to train the sales team on sales. Now, even as business owners, we do not undergo any sales training, and hence we cannot teach our sales staff how to sell. Now, if we know that we need to train, what do we need to train them on? Now, there are numerous things to learn in sales. I'm listing down a few, for example, and I'll be creating a detailed video on each of these very soon. Now, important things to learn are: first, the sales process. It is one major strategy. It is like a winning formula or a game plan. Game plan is needed to win any game, right? Do we have a game plan in sales? Second is rapport building. Third is how to do the need analysis, how to qualify the inquiries, training on the sales scripts, training on objection handling, How do we close? What are the closing techniques? And what are the conversation techniques? For example, you might have heard of spin selling. It's a very good tool for selling. Now, if you really train yourself and your sales team on these aspects, you can improve your conversion rate and you will stop leaving money on the table. If you want any inputs to work on your conversion rate, please get in touch with me and keep learning.